Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Excel for accounting. First, open a new Excel workbook. You will want to create separate sheets for different accounting categories, such as income, expenses, and assets. Next, set up your columns on each sheet. Include fields for the date, a clear description of the transaction, its category, and the amount. This structured approach ensures your financial data is organized from the start. Once your workbook is set up, the next step is to consistently record your daily transactions. For every financial event, enter the date, a detailed description, and its corresponding category on the relevant sheet. For instance, a purchase goes on the expense sheet. It is crucial to accurately input the amount, ensuring that all debits and credits are correctly reflected. This meticulous entry forms the foundation of your financial tracking. With your transactions recorded, it is time to categorize and summarize your data. Utilize Excel's powerful filtering and sorting features to quickly review specific types of transactions. For a comprehensive overview, create pivot tables to summarize your income and expense categories, providing a clear picture of where your money is going. You can also use basic formulas to calculate totals and maintain running balances for each account. Finally, you can generate essential financial reports from your organized data. Create a basic income statement to understand your profitability over a period, showing total revenues versus total expenses. Next, develop a simple balance sheet to get a snapshot of your assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time. Regularly reviewing these reports, perhaps monthly or quarterly, is vital for monitoring your financial health and making informed decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.